I know exactly what you're waiting for, so I create a El Reno tornado for you. This is without a doubt the strongest and largest tornado I've ever made. The size of it is considerably bigger than the default map I've been using. Additionally, it is extremely laggy, so make sure to slow down. The time or your phone will start smoking due to the intense movement. To help with the visuals, you can also check out the like and sub .5 likes button for the link provided above. If you have any suggestions or requests for tornadoes to make, feel free to tell me below and I'll do my best to accommodate them.